Hello, C.Chiles Solar here at my latest installation. As you guys can see, my crew is on the roof here. We're in beautiful Taylor's, South Carolina. A short time ago, I was in this community. Actually, I was carrying out a booked appointment with a neighbor on the street, and the homeowner here stopped me and let me know that she too wanted to go solar. She was just not familiar with the process. So she booked an appointment with me. I was able to come out and qualify her home, and also give her an idea on the benefits of having her home converted to renewable energy. She would have seen all the panels going up in her nearby community here, but was unaware that her utility had a process that she could apply for to have her home converted to renewable energy. So, hey, if you are tired of paying high utility bills, click on the link that's posted in this video. Go to my website, book an appointment with me, whether it's a telephone appointment, Zoom video conference, or a face-to-face on-site appointment, and I'll help you understand if going solar is right for you. And if you are in a major utility, just like most utilities, your utility has a process, typically an application process, where you can submit to have your home converted to renewable energy with no out-of-pocket cost. So go ahead, click on the link in this description, go to my website, book an appointment with me. Thank you so much. C.Chiles Solar.